this video, I'm going to show you exactly 3 ways how you can make money from BYBIT Launchpad, because most of people know only one method, which is taking part in new just starting projects on this Launchpad by hodling BIT tokens. But there are actually more ways to make money on BYBIT Launchpad, and in this video I'm going to show you and guide you step by step how you can do it, and maybe choose either one method or combine all of them. But before we start this video, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research, Dior. So look, here are my 3 ways, and the first way is of course the most known way, which is Launchpad projects, right? So this is very easy. Like you all know, all you gotta do is have some BIT tokens on your BYBIT account. Then you're allowed to kind of sacrifice BIT tokens, and for these sacrificed BIT tokens you get these Launchpad projects tokens, just like it was with Costa, and the average price week return was 2000%, real was 18,000%, and the CBX was 1200%. So first thing to take part in these launching projects is of course register on BYBIT. If you want to register, you can use my link down below. Yeah, I'm advertising it. And yes, I want as many people as possible to register using my link, because of course I can benefit out of it. So you can use my link down below, which is in the description. If you already have your account registered on BYBIT, then what you gotta do is hodl BIT tokens, right? Then take part in the snapshot period. Then there is a subscription period, and then there is distribution period, right? A snapshot period takes 5 days, so you need to hodl BIT tokens on your BYBIT account. All you gotta do is come here, click Launchpad, and then you're gonna see the project, and then you're gonna be able to do the subscription, and then you'll need to click commit tokens. And after this period, there is distribution period when you'll receive your tokens. And then is of course listing of this project. Now we are coming to the second method, which is listing sniping. And this is not so popular method when it comes to BYBIT, but I know several people doing this already, and it worked very, very well for them. And what it actually means, it means that after the distribution period, there is a listing on BYBIT. During the first minutes, there's this huge spike. Of course, it's not always, and some people use it to snipe it at the first seconds, at the first minutes, and get this quick trade in the first seconds. Like you can see here on the example, this is Costa, and Costa worked very, very well. It gave the best returns. I'm telling you now, this is not easy. It is risky because you can get wrecked. So if you're not experienced, I wouldn't really recommend it, because you can buy it at the top, which of course you don't want to do, all right? But if you manage to buy it early, it may be profitable to do it. This very quick trade. Here we are at the Costa 5-minute chart. In the first 5 minutes, there was this huge spike. Then there was this dump to 90 cents. And then another pump, $2, right? And now we're coming to the third method, which is trading BIT DAO tokens. Everybody who wants to participate in the Launchpad projects have to hodl BIT tokens. So if you think about it, all people need to hodl BIT tokens to participate in the BYBIT Launchpad. And it gets you this opportunity. It could be leveraged because yes, BIT tokens are available on BYBIT derivatives. So yes, you can trade it on leverage, because it's also high risk, but as long as you know what you're doing, it can be of course profitable. We gotta think about it. Usually people want to hodl until the snapshot period is over. Then usually there is a dump. And if you take a look, there wasn't actually many projects. Let's say here is announcement of new Launchpad project, then the price goes up until the snapshot period is over, and then people are selling because they don't have to hold BIT tokens anymore. Many people only are joining BYBIT Launchpad to buy one particular project, just like it was with Costa, because of Carl Demon, and that means that it gets you this nice opportunity. So let's say there is a new project launching, and you may think that yeah, very likely people are gonna be willing to buy BIT tokens to take part in the project, right? So this may be a good long opportunity, and I wouldn't say that to you, but I really like what BYBIT is doing and how they are developing as an exchange. And I also really like BIT DAO token. It is dumped right now. I'm not gonna lie, I was showing it way higher, but I'm still bullish on this token. And like I just posted today on Twitter, no matter if Bitcoin is at 20,000 or 100,000, there are still 100x opportunities. There are still projects launching on Launchpads, etc. This is basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in another one.